on the East Prospect Main Road. I see me buck up on the bridge and me and there is a run at Willowfield.
Yeah, man.
And
We're supposed to finish by then September. We're supposed to complete the whole of the
But it a come on and them start to dig up at the trenches them now. Some of viewers and sub. See it there, see me gimbal there. Yeah, I make sure showing them my gimbal. See it there, see Triple R there. Triple R, the official sponsor, a big super channel. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Big Super is out here on the East Prospect Main Road. I would say from the other day them have a tractor do some work down that side, and we're gonna see how far them reach and see how them are going. But we stand up with the right in at the location. At the promise. Yes. Yeah, what going? No. Yeah. Yeah, man, remember you. What going? We're up on the road as usual.
Yeah.
Everything good?
Yeah, man,
Yeah, man. So when we come on, to come chat with you. Why me just start the video? Yeah, I see me buck up on the bridge and me and there is a run at Willowfield.
Yeah, man.
And we up on the road seeing me, but what going for the road? Or the road thing up here?
The road thing, it's a command now, yeah.
It's a command?
Yeah, because they take it from the black man them, so the Chinese them do them thing.
Yeah,
but so the city outlet, we have a lot of outlet problems, because them places are too low.
Yeah.
So the water now go when the rainfall.
Okay.
So them are carry the water, Chinese them first.
Yeah.
And then go ahead. But, but you know, next year then time, we have some good road. And the parish are developed, you understand?
Yeah,
me?
man.
Right to Portland, you understand?
Right to Portland.
Yeah, man. And St.Thomas are going to do it right now, yeah.
Yeah, man, St.Thomas.
Big project start a good year.
Yeah.
I want most hotel are come right now in St.Thomas where there's enough Caribbean right now.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, so give thanks to see what I go on, yeah?
Yeah, man, blessings.
Big up Bart Willowfield, Gully Grove, all about, yeah?
You see, what your name again? Livy.
Yeah.
All right, Livy. Drive safe.
Yeah, I'm a big farmer from Willowfield. We plant banana, pumpkin, everything.
You see that people?
Food all overseas, Canada, America, Caribbean. You understand me?
All over. All right, one love, Willie.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Livy, blessings.
Yes, Papa.
All right. Some of viewers, we just start out on the road. I see me talk to a farmer. He recognized me from Willowfield and him beside say he want to give me a talk. With the right in front of the famous place. With the right in front of Triple R people. With the right in front of Triple R. As we just want them to know that Triple R is a official sponsor, a Big Super channel. Yeah. Triple R is the official sponsor of Big Super channel. And my viewers and sub, I see some work go on now on the manual cover them. They're going to reach down that side there, but back down to license, I see where them lift the manual cover them in the road. And we see a tractor do some digging around this side here, and we are walk and we are going to take a look because them start down to blue and white scheme and the tractor take time and come up the stretch, and we don't know if we can get nobody to talk to about the work we are going. But stick and stay, people. Big Super is on the ground and I'm at the walk and we are going to see what is going on with the tractor around this side and see if we can get any update. Yeah, big up Herschel Grocery, one of my loyal subscribers. You know what we get, people, but we have to big her up. Yeah, man, so my viewers and sub, Big Super is on the ground out in East Prospect. We're up on the long level, we're up on the Beverly Hills stretch at St.Thomas, and we see the tractor I do some work and we are make the walk come out here to see what's taking place. Yeah man, because the drainage people, remember when the guys are complaining about the drainage? We need to get the drainage system out of the way. Well, we are make the water down here. We see the tractor go on. So we have a look. We are going over upon the drainage. And we see one of the liaison are having breakfast. We are going, me come talk to you. Yeah. We are come talk to you. We see the tractor. We see the tractor work. Yeah. We see the tractor out here work. And we are come talk to you. We don't want to disturb you. We don't want to disturb you from your breakfast. But we are come around my viewers. And we see one of the liaison which part up on the project, him are eating breakfast. Yeah. And why you give me an official update and tell me what I go on the site then?
By the time we get the drain them finished.
Yes.
We want to get the water off the road.
We don't want to get the water off of the road.
Yeah.
And that is a good look.
Yeah.
I like that.
We get the drain them.
Yeah. You don't have any timeline like you that say you can take a month and do it or so?
Yeah. We're supposed to finish by then. September we're supposed to complete the whole year.
Complete the whole stretch all the way back down to Pedo.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So I love what
because we want to start Port Morant soon.
We don't want to start Port Morant. Well, you see, if you want to start Port Morant, you have a message for you. The people them at St.Thomas say if you're not done from Kingston to Yasso, you can't start Port Morant. No, I'm going to tell you what the people them at St.Thomas say.
I check, I go do it. I try to do the rest of
yeah, no, it's if you don't done one part, you don't make no sense to start the next part.
Man, we have done the whole life, man.
So when you not done it, then you start the rest.
Yeah, man. That's
yeah, man. So nobody think about the rest because we know we're not the holding up thing like the light I want now.
As soon as it is draining, the next layer asphalt are going in.
Yeah.
Finishing.
So you mean say them going to do a second? Then say them going to do a second layer, you know.
Yeah, that's going to happen.
And I see them I see where them lift up the manual cover them now.
Yeah, because it's low. So when the asphalt come back and match with everything.
Okay. So them carry it up to the height.
Yeah, carry it up to the height at the asphalt. Yeah.
Okay. Well, all right. Blessings, bush and all the best. Yeah. And me don't want it sound like it's a threat, but I want to done the first phase before we start Port Morant. Because you see, the whole up holding up with that first phase that take.
True.
We can't take on go dig up the next section and hold up the whole of St.Thomas.
No, man, that's not going to make it.
You understand me? All right, people.
Different
procedure. All right, eat your breakfast. All right, one love. So, we're out here, people. We're out on the road. And we just look them dig down. It's all of them mountain. When them did have pack up out there, big super to come and cuss them and make them know. So what you know. We know in the whole heap of mountain. We know in the whole heap of mountain business. Well, we notice that the mountain them take time I dig down. We don't have no mountain again. And thing. We don't have no hill. And we will show you back down in another section. The whole always flood when rain fall. The viewers and subscribers. So big super is out here. So out on the Prospect main road. The tractor out here at work. The viewers and stuff. Yeah, you see that? Tractor out here at work. And if you notice, all them cut the drain, them cut it like a V. You see it? It cut like a V, my viewers and stuff. Yeah, it cut like a V. So when it cut like a V, you know, the water, I don't know if it has something to do with the water flow when them turn it up, but it'll come on and them start to dig up back the trenches them now, and them take time and move the mountain, and me like that the viewers and stuff. So big super is out here on the road, and big up Triple R, the official sponsor of Big Super. Yeah, Triple R, make sure me get me gimbal. So people, me have a gimbal now where my phone there, you know, and me go make on see the gimbal courtesy of Triple R. So Triple R, them people there, them are the official sponsor of Big Super channel and Big Super and that. So when you're in a East Prospect, make sure you shop at Triple R, people. You understand? Because Triple R have reasonable price and them have a lot of foreign goods and a whole heap of foreign thing are going over there. If you're local, the local people, them bringing a lot of overseas stuff. And them have the fashion store upstairs. The viewers and stuff, them have the fashion store upstairs. And them also have a lot of wholesale where you can get some goods there and like you can get, you know the wholesale thing go already and the consignment thing go already, so you can check them out. Some of you and sub, Big Super out here, we're out on East Prospect. We not see this morning, we not see the thing there, we not see the fiberglass. Virgin, it look like him busy, same location there. We not see him this morning, it look like him gone on the road and things, so stick and stay. Some of viewers and sub, see it there, see me gimbal there. Yeah, I make sure show them my gimbal. See it there, see Triple R there. Triple R, the official sponsor of Big Super channel. So Big Super endorse Triple R. Remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, people, for the regular update. Big Super Gate out here in East Prospect. Do the right thing, people. Peace out.